In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Max on Discord without a black screen. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Chrome like you normally would. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and look up Google Settings extension right over here. And we basically need to install this Chrome browser extension, and this will let us fiddle around with the settings. And basically, you want to go ahead and select on the first link that does appear. Make sure that it is from the official chromewebstore.google.com website. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on download. Once you went ahead and downloaded this web browser extension, all you want to do is you want to go to the web browser extension menu. Then you want to make sure that it is actually pinned. So it should be called settings. Make sure that it is pinned. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just press on settings right over here. You're then going to be brought to a page that looks like this. And then in the search bar, all you want to do is you want to look up accelerated. And then you're going to get this option over here that says use graphics acceleration when available. And by default, it is going to be turned on. But if you want to go ahead and stream Max on Discord without a black screen, go ahead and just turn it off, and you will need to go ahead and just relaunch the web browser. So please go ahead and press on that. Then just wait for a little bit, and then bam, you should be back online. Now from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Max like you normally would, then open up Discord, and then go ahead and start screen sharing. And that should actually get the job done. Now for legal and obvious reasons, I'm not going to show you the exact process in this video, but please go ahead and give it a shot and let me know if it does work in the comment section down below. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.